Hey. Hey.
Go. Oh.
Let me show you how a country girl do. Country boys sure know how to. Let me show you how a country girl do. Country boys sure.
Look out for me, oh muddy water. Your mysteries are deep and wide. You're going too fast, and I got a need for going someplace. And I got need to climb upon your back and ride. You can look for me when you see me coming. I may be running, I don't know. I may be
Be careful of the customer's truck over here, okay? A little to your right. To your right. No, Tyler, to your right. Brakes.
Yikes! Yikes! Oh! Oh! It's a good Mario star! Felt that, I felt that.
Go on the mic. Old ladies suck.
Okay! Okay! Boomer! Okay! Boomer!
Ready, Caleb? Yes. Grace? Go, I'm filming.
Holy shit!
Rylan, are you okay?
My legs hurt. I'm good. I was worried I wasn't okay because I've never been like that and I heard a couple of pops.
You got a Honda powered Tesla.
You're going, bro. You could have gotten a Honda, and you could have just saved all of this, and you'd be done.
Well,
You're going to.
You needed gas. I tried to tell you.
No. This is not it. This is the weirdest. Nobody has ever run a Tesla off of gasoline like this before. All right, well, get this thing out and let's charge it up.
No,
You're going.
fill it up. You fill it up with gas.
Babe, he's going to charge his electric car with gasoline from a Honda.
Right.
I thought his battery was dead.
I still don't get it. I just know that sometimes you break down and cars just run out of gas and it's a long road.
Yeah?
I can't believe I actually helped a Tesla charge itself with gasoline. This is the